Hello and welcome back to another 4x4 Trails.pro video. Today we have something a little bit different for you. We're going to be showing you how to install the Toyota 4Runner Emblem overlays. It's the blackout Emblem overlay kit. It's a factory part by Toyota that you can get from them or from many third-party websites. So opening the box here, what you can see is the individual emblem overlays themselves. Basically what it is a emblem cover with an adhesive backing. So you clean the emblems themselves, heat them up, peel the sticking on the emblem overlay, and then apply it to the emblem. So we're going to show you how to do that in a little bit more detail here. But thank you so much for watching again. We really appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you like this content. One other thing you're going to need is a heat gun. And hopefully this heat gun will have a low and a high setting. We'll be utilizing the low setting for today's video. So as I mentioned before, the first step is to go ahead and clean your vehicle. Make sure you wipe down the emblems specifically. You want to make sure they're nice and clean so you get a good bond between the adhesive and the emblem. The next step is to take your heat gun on the low setting and apply a little bit of heat to the emblem. That way, when the emblem touches the adhesive melts onto the emblem itself. This gives you a really good bond. You really don't want these things to fall off due to how expensive they are. Throughout the heating process, make sure to double check the emblem and that they're not getting too hot. I don't think you could peel the paint off, but I wouldn't want to try and find out. Next thing you're going to do is actually peel the red backing off the adhesive from the emblem overlay, and then you're going to apply the emblem overlay to the emblem itself. You're going to want to press on that emblem very firmly for about 30 seconds, and then you're okay to remove pressure and it should be stuck. The steps for the remaining emblems are the same. If you buy the complete emblem package, it comes with all the TRD, off-road, Toyota emblems, and 4Runner letters that you need. You're just going to heat them up again, apply your emblem overlay to the emblem itself, and apply pressure for 30 seconds. If you have an SR5 or a TRD Pro where the emblem package is different, they do sell a kit for you as well. One last quick pro tip to keep in mind while you're doing this, make sure you pay attention and actually take the backing off. That way the adhesive is exposed when you're putting the overlay on. I wasn't, and unfortunately we almost lost an R here. So yeah, you don't want that to happen to you, so make sure that red backing comes off. But yeah, once everything's on and in place, the fit and finish looks great. Real happy with the overlay quality and the fact that it does cover up all of the chrome. So it turned out fantastic. Real happy with it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this and more off-roading content, please stay tuned, like and subscribe. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.